Dear students, welcome. Today we are going to discuss reduction formula of BSc first semester honors course. In reduction formula, we generally use the method of integration by parts. Without wasting any time, let us start. Reduction formula. Reduction. Suppose number one question, obtain a reduction formula for integration sine to the power nx dx. Integration sine to the power nx dx. We are going to obtain a reduction formula for this. Let us write I am equal to integration sine to the power nx dx. Let us write this. Means I5, what will be I5? Equal to integration sine to the power 5x dx. To calculate integration sine to the power 5x dx, now we shall apply the reduction formula. Let us see. Ion equal to integration sine to the power nx dx. This integration can be written as sine to the power n minus 1x into sine x dx. We may write like this: sine to the power nx dx equal to integration sine to the power n minus 1x into sine x dx. This is equal to. Now we shall apply the method of integration by parts. Taking sine to the power n minus 1x as the first function and sin x as the second function. Now, first function into integration of the second function minus the differentiation of the first function. Into integration of the second function. The integral of this. Integrating by parts, taking sin x as the second function. Integrating by parts, taking sin x as the second function. This will be equal to sine to the power n minus 1x. It is minus cos x. Integration sin x will be equal to minus cos x. Minus integration. Differentiation of this n minus 1 sine to the power n minus 2x. The differentiation of sin x will be equal to cos x. Integration of sin x will be equal to minus cos x dx. Minus cos x dx. I am equal to this. This is equal to. This means I am equal to. I am left side equal to I am minus sine to the power n minus 1x into cos x. Cos x minus plus n minus 1. N minus 1 can be taken outside. Sine to the power n minus 2x. This will be cos x into cos x. Will be cos square x. This cos square x can be written as 1 minus sine square x. Cos x into cos x, cos square x. Cos square x can be written as 1 minus sine square x. This is equal to minus plus n minus 1 into integration sine to the power n minus 2x dx minus n minus 1 integration sine to the power n minus 2x into sine square x. Sine to the power n minus 2x into sine square x will be equal to sine to the power mx. Sine to the power mx. This is equal to minus sine to the power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1. If I am equal to integration sine to the power nx dx, integration sine to the power n minus 2x dx will be definitely in minus 2. It will be equal to in minus 2 minus n minus 1. It is again in and the left hand side as it is I. Left hand side as it is I am. Now this ion, take minus n minus 1 into ion to the left hand side. You will get 1 plus n minus 1 ion equal to minus sine to the power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 I n minus 2. You will get this. 1 will be cancelled. N into ion equal to this. Therefore, ion will be equal to minus sine to the power n minus 1x cos x divided by n plus n minus 1 by n I n minus 2. That is integration sine to the power nx dx will be equal to minus sine to the power n minus 1x cos x divided by n plus n minus 1 by n integration sine to the power n minus 2x dx. This is the required reduction formula. This is the required reduction formula. Suppose you are asked to find integration sine to the power 4x dx. You can apply this method. Sine to the power 4x, put n is equal to 4 here. You will get minus sine to the power 4 minus 1 means thrice x, sine to the power 3x cos x divided by 4, put n is equal to 4, plus 3 by 4 sine square x dx, sine square x dx. Integration sine square x dx. You can again apply this method. Put n is equal to 2 here. Sine square x will be equal to minus sine x cos x divided by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 2 integration sine x whole to the power 0. 2 minus 2 means 0. Sine x whole to the power 0 will be equal to 1. For 1, you may write integration 1 dx equal to x. Using reduction formula also, we can find easily the integration sine to the power 7x dx, integration sine to the power 9x dx, integration sine to the power 6x dx, like this. Similarly, we can apply reduction formula to find integration cos to the power nx dx. Now, let us first find the reduction formula for integration cos to the power nx dx. Let us first find the reduction formula for integration cos to the power nx dx. Obtain a reduction formula for integration cos to the power nx dx. Obtain a reduction formula this. Integration cos to the power nx dx. Let ion stands for integration cos to the power nx dx. This can be written as cos to the power n minus 1x into cos x dx. Cos x dx. Now, integrate this by parts, taking cos x as the second function. Now integrate this by parts, taking cos x as the second function. This is equal to first function cos to the power n minus 1x. What is the integration of cos x? Equal to sin x minus integration, differentiation of the first function n minus 1 cos to the power n minus 2x. What is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x. Integration of cos x will be equal to sin x dx. You may write here integrating by parts. Integrating by parts regarding taking cos x as the second function. As the second function. integrating by parts, taking cos x as the second function. Now, this is equal to cos to the power n minus 1x into sin x. Minus, it will be plus. N minus 1 can be taken outside the sign of integration. Cos to the power n minus 2x. Sin x into sin x will be equal to sin square x, which can be written as 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x. This is equal to cos to the power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 into integration cos to the power n minus 2x dx plus minus n minus 1 integration cos to the power n minus 2x into cos square x. Cos to the power n minus 2x into cos square x will be equal to cos to the power nx. Will be equal to cos to the power nx. Now, iron equal to cos to the power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1. This can be written as I n minus 2 minus. This is equal to minus n minus 1 in. This means 1 plus n minus 1 into in equal to cos to the power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 I n minus 2. You may write this. One cancel. This means in equal to divide both sides by n. Cos to the power n minus 1x sin x divided by n plus n minus 1 by n in the in minus 2. In minus 2. That is integration cos to the power nx dx equal to cos to the power n minus 1x sin x divided by n plus n minus 1 by n integration cos to the power n minus 2x dx, which is the required reduction formula. This is the reduction formula. Required reduction formula. Integration cos to the power nx dx will be equal to this. Using this formula, you can find integration cos to the power 11x dx. Apply this method. Integration cos to the power 5x dx. Apply this method. Integration cos to the power 6x dx. Apply this method. Now, let us see. Suppose integration cos cube x dx. Integration cos cube x dx. Example, number 1 example. Cos cube x dx equal to, here n is equal to 3. Here n is equal to 3. Therefore, cos to the power 3 minus 1 means cos square x sin x divided by 3. Cos square x sin x divided by 3. Cos cube x plus 3 minus 1 by 3 means 3 minus 1 by 3. Integration cos to the power 3 minus 2x. This is equal to cos square x sin x divided by 3 plus 2 by 3. It is cos x dx. Integration cos x dx. Integration cos x dx. This is equal to cos square x sin x divided by 3 plus 2 by 3 sin x plus the constant of integration c. Now integration cos cube x dx, using this formula we have calculated integration cos cube x dx, integration cos cube x dx equal to this. In the class 11-12 level, we solve this problem like this. Thus, let us verify this. We know that cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus thrice cos x. Therefore, definitely cos cube x will be equal to 1 by 4. Cos cube x will be equal to 1 by 4 cos 3x plus thrice cos x will be equal to cos cube x plus cos x. This means integration cos cube x dx will be equal to 1 by 4 integration cos thrice x plus thrice cos x dx. Cos x will be equal to 1 by 4 sin thrice x divided by 3 plus 3 sin x. You will get this one. You will get this one. Now, this result should be equal to this. Sin thrice x it is sin thrice x divided by 3 plus thrice sin x. This result should be equal to this. Should be equal to this. Now, this is equal to from this we are writing this here. We are writing here. We are writing here. This is equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 12. Suppose you may write 1 by 12. Sin thrice x plus 9 sin x. Sin thrice x plus 9 sin x. This is equal to 1 by 12 thrice sin x minus 4 sin cube x plus 9 sin x. You may write like this. This is equal to 1 by 12 sin x minus 4 sin cube x minus 4 sin cube x means sin x into 1 minus cos square x. We are going to prove that this result is equal to this result. This result is equal to this result. We are going to prove this. This is equal to 1 by 12 sin x minus 4 sin x equal to 8 sin x plus 4 cos square x into sin x. 4 cos square x into sin x. 4 cos square x into sin x. You will get this. Now, which is equal to 8 by 12 means 2 by 3 sin x plus 4 by 12 means 1 by 3 cos square x sin x. This is nothing but this result. This is nothing but this result. Now, in class 11-12 level, we used this method. Now, in this case, you may apply this method also. The method of reduction formula. This reduction formula can be applied. Similarly, suppose cos square x. What is cos square x? Cos square x. This is another example. Suppose cos square x, integration cos square x dx equal to, now put n equal to 2, cos x sin x divided by 2, cos x sin x divided by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2, cos x whole to the power 0 means 1. cos x. This is equal to 1 by 2 sin x cos x plus 1 by 2, this is nothing but 1, equal to x. Answer is this. Applying this method, the integration cos square x is equal to half of sin x into cos x. Now, generally we integrated like this. 1 plus cos twice x divided by 2. We integrated like this. This is equal to 1 by 2. Integration of 1 is x plus it is sin twice x divided by 2. Sin twice x divided by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 x plus sin twice x means twice sin x into cos x. 2 will be cancelled. Sin x into cos x. Sin x into cos x. Now this is the reduction formula. Cos square x, using reduction formula, we have got this one. And in higher secondary level, class 11-12 level, we integrated in this way. Half of x plus Buddha method can be applied. Now, for a definite integral, we when the integration is from 0 to pi by 2, from 0 to pi by 2, then an important result may be found. We can find important result. Now, to prove that this result can be applied like this. Integration sin to the power nx dx equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power nx dx. Integration sin to the power nx cos to the power nx. When the integration limit from 0 to pi by 2, then this is equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4, 5 by 6 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2 when n is even. Or this is equal to n minus 1 by n, n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4, like this. 4 by 5, 2 by 3, 1. When n is odd. Integration sin to the power nx, when we are integrating from 0 to pi by 2, this result is equal to this result. Integration 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power nx dx will be equal to n minus 1 by n, n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4, like this. And finally we will get 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, pi by 2. When n is even. When n is odd, then we will not get pi. The result will be 4 by 5, 2 by 3, and last time 1. Now, let iron equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power nx dx. This is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power n pi by 2 minus x dx. The property of definite integral, integration 0 to a fx dx equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We have used this property of definite integral. 0 to a fx dx, 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Here a is equal to pi by 2, lower limit should be equal to 0. For x, we have written pi by 2 minus x. This is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x. Definitely we will get cos to the power n x dx. Integration sine to the power nx dx 0 to pi by 2, we will get this integration is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power nx dx. Now, the formula for this sine to the power nx dx equal to this. Same formula for cos to the power nx dx also. This means if the limit is 0 to pi by 2, sine to the power 4x dx, this is equal to cos to the power 4x dx. This is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 4x dx. The same formula will be applied here. Because we have proved that 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power nx equal to this one. Now let us proceed. Now we shall prove this one. Let us proceed. You may take any one of these two. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power nx or integration 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power nx dx. Let ion equal to 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power nx dx. This can be written as 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power n minus 1x into sine x dx. This can be written as like this. Now integrate this by the method of integration by parts. This is equal to first function sine to the power nx. The integration of the second function, it will be cos x. Limit will be 0 to pi by 2 minus integration 0 to pi by 2. Differentiation of this n minus 1 sine to the power n minus 2x into cos x into minus cos x. Integrating by parts. Regarding overtaking cos x, regarding sin x as the second function. Sin x as the second function. First function into integration of the second function minus differentiation of the first function into integration of the second function, the integral of this. This is equal to, you see, when you put pi by 2 here, sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, but cos pi by 2 will be equal to 0. Sin pi by 2 equal to 1, but cos pi by 2, this will be equal to 0. Therefore, contribution from pi by 2 is equal to 0. If you put cos 0 equal to 1, but sin 0 equal to 0, finally, from these two, we will get 0 minus 0. No contribution from this term. 0 minus 0. Now, see here. Minus minus plus. N minus 1. Integration. 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Sine to the power n minus 2x. Cos x into cos x. This is equal to cos square x. Which can be written as 1 minus sine square x. This can be written as 1 minus sine square x. We may write like this. We may write like this. Now, ion equal to n minus 1 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power n minus 2x minus integration 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power n minus 2x into sine square x will be equal to sine to the power nx. Will be equal to sine to the power nx. This means ion equal to n minus 1. It will be in minus 2 minus ion. It will be in minus 2 minus ion. This means 1 plus n minus 1 ion equal to n minus 1 in minus 2, or ion equal to n minus 1 by n in minus 2. Suppose this is number 1. we have got one result, which is in equal to n minus 1 by n, in minus 2. Where in equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power nx dx. Then in equal to n minus 1 by n, in minus 2. This is number 1. Now replacing n by n minus 2 in 1, we get, replacing n by n minus 2 in 1, we get, replace this by, we may replace this by in equal to I5, 6, 7. We have replaced n by n minus 2. You will get in minus 2 equal to, put n equal to n minus 2. n minus 2 minus 1 will be equal to n minus 3. n minus 2. In minus 4. It will be equal to in minus 4. Now, suppose this is number 2. Use 2 in 1, we get. Using 2 in 1, we get in equal to n minus 1 by n. It will be n minus 3 by n minus 2, in minus 4. Suppose this is number 3. n minus 1 by n, n minus 3 by n minus 2, in minus 4. Now, replace n by n minus 4 in 1. Now, replacing n by n minus 4 in 1, we get, in minus 4 will be equal to n minus 5 by n minus 4, in minus 6. Suppose this is number 4. Now, use 4 in 3. Now, using 4 in 3, we get. Using 4 in 3, we get. Using 4 in 3, we get in equal to n minus 1 by n, n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4, n minus 3 by n minus 2. For in minus 4, put n minus 5 by n minus 4, in minus 6. Now, proceeding this method, we shall do. Proceeding in this way, we shall ultimately get. Proceeding in this way, we shall ultimately get. Proceeding in this way, we shall ultimately get in equal to n minus 1 by n, n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4. Proceeding in this way, we shall ultimately get this. Remember, what is in? You should remember that in equal to 0 to pi by 2, sine to the power nx dx. N may be even or n may be odd. N may be even or n may be odd. Suppose it is even. If n is even, it may be 6, it may be 8, it may be 10, it may be 12, like this. Suppose n equal to suppose n equal to 6 here. Suppose n is equal to 6 here. Then, when n is even, this term, what will be this term? What will be this term? N is even, means n is equal to 6. Suppose n is equal to 6. We shall ultimately get, it will be 6 minus 6, I0. It will be equal to I0. we shall get it I0. When it is I0, what will be this term? We have put n equal to 6. N is equal to 6. We have got it is I0. What will be the term just before I0? 6 minus 5 by 6 minus 4. 6 minus 5 by 6 minus 4. It will be 1 by 2. It will be 1 by 2. Next, the term before 1 by 2, 6 minus 3 by 6 minus 2, 3 by 4. 3 by 4. And the term this 6 minus 1 by 6, 5 by 6. 5 by 6. We shall get like this. When n is even. When n is even, we shall ultimately get this one. The term proceeding in this way, the next term will be n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4, n minus 7 by n minus 6, n minus 8. When n is even, then ultimately this term will be equal to 0, I0. This, not this term, it will be I0, I0. When n is even. If it is I0, the term just before I0 will be equal to 1 by 2. The term just before 1 by 2 will be equal to 3 by 4, 5 by 6 when n is even. Perhaps you have understood this one. And I am equal to, when n is odd, proceeding in this way, we shall get like this. When n is odd, suppose n is odd, suppose this is equal to 7. If it is 7, then this term will be I1. 7 minus 6 equal to I1. This term will be I1. Now put here I1. If it is I1, we have put n equal to 7. This term will be equal to 7 minus 5 by 7 minus 4, 2 by 3. This term will be equal to 2 by 3. The term just before this, 7 minus 3 by 7 minus 2, 4 by 5. The term, this term 7 minus 1 by 7, 6 minus 6 by 5. When n is odd, proceeding this way, we shall ultimately get this result, these two results. In equal to this, where n is even, and in equal to n minus 1 by n, this I1 when n is odd. We shall ultimately get this one. Now, I0 will be equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x whole to the power 0 dx equal to 0 to pi by 2. It is 1 dx equal to x 0 to pi by 2. This the value will be equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus 0 equal to pi by 2. I0 will be equal to pi by 2. I1 equal to 0 to pi by 2. Sin x dx, it will be sin x dx, because put n is equal to 1. Sin x whole to the power 1, sin x dx. The integration of sin x equal to minus cos x, 0 to pi by 2. This is equal to minus cos pi by 2 plus cos 0. This is equal to minus 0 plus 1 equal to 1. I1 equal to 1. Thus, I0 equal to pi by 2, I1 equal to 1. I1 equal to 1. Therefore, I am equal to, from this, suppose this is number A. Therefore, A implies I am equal to n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4, dot, 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2. For I0, we should write pi by 2 into pi by 2. When n is even. when n is even. N is even. And ion equal to n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4, dot dot dot, 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 into no, this is not 5 by 4. When n is odd, it should be 6 by 7. In equal to n minus 1 this. Last time I put 6 by 5. It is not 6 by 5. It is 6 by 7. 6 by 7. It will be 6 by 7, 4 by 5, 2 by 3. I1 equal to 1. When n is odd. When n is odd. When n is odd. Remember this. Now, integration 0 to pi by 2 sin cube x dx equal to, within a fraction of second you may find here. It is odd, n is odd. N minus 1 by n. This is 3, this is 2 into 1 equal to 2 by 3. Answer is 2 by 3. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power of 4x dx equal to, in the denominator you put 4 and numerator 4 minus 1, 3. Next, subtract 2 from both numerator and denominator. 3 minus 2, 1. This is 2 into pi by 2. This is equal to thrice pi by 16. Thrice pi by 16. Suppose 0 to pi by 2. Sin to the power 5x. Sin to the power 5x equal to 4 by 5 into 2 by 3. This is the answer. 8 by 15. 8 by 15. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power 5x dx. Answer is 8 by 15. Use this formula is called Wallis theorem. Sin to integration sin to the power 5x dx equal to this. Just remember, very interesting, and without integrating you can find the value of the integration. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Remember that it should be 0 to pi by 2. It should be 0 to pi by 2. Sin to the power 6x dx equal to 5 by 6, 2, subtract 2, 1 by 2 into pi by 2. What will be this? 5 pi divided by 32. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power 6x dx equal to 5 pi by 32. This is equal to 5 pi by 32. Suppose 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 9x dx equal to 8 by 9, 6 by 7, 4 by 5, 2 by 3 into 1. Now it will be 2, 3. This is equal to 128. 128. 310 only. 310. Oh, no. 31, not 0 it is. 315. 315. Cos to the power 9x dx. Just without integrating you may find the value. The value will be equal to 8 by 9, 6 by 7, 4 by 5, 2 by 3, 1. This will be 2, 3. 21 into 5. 21 into 5. 105. 21 into 5. 105. 105 into 3, 315. 105 into 3, 315. 16, 16 into 2, 32, 32 into 2, 64 into 2, 128. In this way, now, evaluate. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power 4x cos square x dx. Sin to the power 4x cos square x dx. 0 to pi by 2 cos sin to the power 4x cos square dx. 0 to pi by 2. You may write like this also. 1 minus sin square x. This is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Sin to the power 4x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power 6x dx. This is equal to, the value will be 1 by 3, 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus 5 by 6 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. This is equal to thrice pi by 16. 1 minus 5 by 6. 1 minus 5 by 6. Thrice pi by 16. 1 minus 5 by 6. This is equal to thrice pi by 16 into 1 by 6. 1 by 6 will be equal to pi divided by 32. Pi divided by 32. This is equal to pi divided by 32. Pi divided by. If the limit is, suppose integration 0 to pi by 4, you are given that it is 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. Zero to pi by 4. You cannot apply this method. In this case, you cannot apply this method. For this, you may write 0 to pi by 4 sin square x into cos square x into sin square x. You may write like this. Sin square x, cos square x. This is equal to 0 to pi by 4. 1 by 4, 4 sin square x, cos square x into sin square x dx. You may write like this. This is equal to 1 by 4 can be taken outside the sign of integration. Pi by 4. It will be twice sin x into cos x whole square. You may write here 1 minus cos twice x divided by 2. 1 minus cos twice x divided by 2. 1 minus cos twice x divided by 2. This is equal to 1 by 8, 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. What will be this? Sin square twice x. It is sin square twice x into 1 minus cos twice x. 1 minus cos twice x dx. Now put twice x equal to t, suppose. This means dx equal to half of dt. X equal to 0 means t equal to 0. X is equal to pi by 4 means t equal to pi by 2. X is equal to pi by 4 means t equal to pi by 2. Therefore, the integration, this integration will be integration will be 1 by 8 integration. Here t equal to 0 to pi by 2. Sin square t into 1 minus cos t. For this, write half of dt. This is equal to 1 by 16 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 16 0 to pi by 2. Sin square t dt minus integration 0 to pi by 2 sin square t into cos t dt. You may write like this. Am I right? 16 sin square. Yes. This is equal 1 by 16. Now you can find the reduction formula. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Sin square t 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Minus, if you put sin t equal to z, cos t dt dz, z square, z cube by 3. Sin cube t by 3. 0 to pi by 2. This is equal to 1 by 16. Pi by 4 minus 1 by 3. Sin cube pi by 2 minus sin cube 0. This is equal to 1 by 16. Pi by 4 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 0. This is equal to 1 by 16 pi by 4 minus 1 by 3. This is the answer. This is the answer. When the limit is 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, answer is 1 by 16 pi by 4. Let us take another example. Let us take another example. Evaluate. 0 to a x to the power 4 a square minus x square dx. Suppose 0 to a x to the power 4 divided by a square minus x square under root. Here simple substitution, x is equal to a sin theta. Put x is equal to a sin theta. This means dx equal to a cos theta d theta. A cos theta d theta. X equal to 0 implies theta equal to 0. X is equal to a implies theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, the integration is 0 to a x to the power 4 divided by root over a square minus x square dx equal to integration theta equal to 0 to pi by 2. X to the power 4 means a to the power 4 sin to the power 4 theta divided by root over a square minus a square sin square theta. Dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. A cos theta d theta. This is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. A to the power 4 sin to the power 4 theta. It is a cos theta. It is again a cos theta d theta. These two terms would be cancelled. A cancelled, cos theta cancelled. A to the power 4. This is equal to a to the power 4 0 to pi by 2. Sin to the power 4 theta d theta. This is equal to a to the power 4 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. This is equal to thrice a to the power 4 pi divided by 16. thrice a to the power 4 pi divided by 16. Thrice a to the power 4 pi by 16. This is that. Let us take another example. Evaluate. Integration 0 to twice a. Suppose integration 0 to twice a. X to the power 9 by 2 twice a minus x dx. 9a minus twice a minus x dx. Twice a minus x dx. I equal to this. We have to integrate this one. Simple calculation. In class 11-12 level, you have to substitute x equal to twice a sine theta, sine square theta, twice a sine square theta. Put x equal to twice a sine square theta. This means dx equal to 4a sine theta cos theta d theta. Dx is equal to this. Dx equal to this. Therefore, I equal to integration 0 to twice a. Now x equal to 0 implies theta is equal to 0. Theta will be obviously equal to 0. X equal to twice a implies theta is equal to sin theta equal to 1 pi by 2. Theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta dc will be equal to pi by 2. Therefore, I equal to integration 0 to twice a x to the power 9 by 2 divided by root over twice a minus x dx. This is equal to, let me write here. This is equal to integration theta equal to 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 x to the power 9 by 2 twice a sine square theta whole to the power 9 by 2 divided by root over twice a minus twice a sine square theta. For dx, 4a sine theta cos theta d theta. Cos theta d theta. This is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Twice a whole to the power 9 by 2. Twice a whole to the power 9 by 2. Sine square x whole to the power 9 by 2 means sine to the power 9 theta. It will be equal to root over twice a 1 minus it will be cos theta 4a sin theta cos theta d theta. Now cos theta will be cancelled. This is equal to 4a and twice a whole to the power 9 by 2 minus 1. No, not minus 1. 1 by half. 1 by 2. Twice a whole to the power, this is 9. This is not a, this is 9. 9 divided by 2. Twice a whole to the power 9 divided by 2 minus 1 by 2. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Sin to the power 9 theta into sin theta, sin to the power 10 theta. Sin to the power 10 theta. This is equal to 4a twice a whole to the power 8 by 2 means 4. It will be equal to 9 by 10 into 7 by 8 into 5 by 6 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Simple. Now 3, 2, 5, 2. This is equal to 2 to the power 4. What is 2 to the power 4? 16. 16 into 4. 64. A to the power 4 into a to the power 4 into a to the power 5, right? No, yes, a to the power 4 into a to the power 5 into 63 divided by 2, 8, you may write here 2, 8 into 8, 64 into 8 into 8, 64, 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into pi, 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into pi. This 64 will be cancelled. This is equal to 63 a to the power 5. This is a to the power 5. 63 a to the power 5 pi by 8. 63 a to the power 5 pi divided by 8. The answer should be this. This should be the answer. 63 a to the power 5 pi divided by 8. 63 a to the power. Perhaps this is the answer. Now we shall take another problem. Let us take another example. Evaluate. This is 0 to a. Integration. Now, integration 0 to a x to the power 4 divided by this. You see, what should be the substitution here? What should be the substitution here? X equal to a tan theta. X is equal to a tan theta. Put x is equal to a tan theta. This means dx equal to a sec square theta d theta. X equal to 0 implies theta equal to 0 here. X equal to a implies theta equal to. If you put x is equal to a, tan theta is equal to 1. This is equal to pi by 4. It will be equal to pi by 4. Theta will be equal to pi by 4. Therefore, I equal to integration theta equal to 0 to pi by 4. For x, put a to the power 4 tan to the power 4 theta. A to the power 4 tan to the power 4 theta. Divided by a square tan square theta plus a square whole to the power 4. For dx, a sec square theta d theta. A sec square theta d theta. This is equal to theta equal to 0 to pi by 4. A to the power 4 tan to the power 4 theta. It will be equal to a square whole to the power 4, a to the power 8. Tan square theta plus 1. Sec square theta, sec to the power 8, sec to the power 8 theta into a sec square theta d theta. A sec square theta d theta. This is equal to a to the power 4, 1 by a cube. It will be 1 by a cube. Integration 0 to pi by 4. Tan to the power 4 theta means sin to the power 4 theta divided by cos to the power 4 theta. It will be in the denominator sec to the power 6 theta. Therefore, it will be cos to the power 6 theta. This is equal to 1 by a cube 0 to pi by 4 sine to the power 4 theta cos square theta d theta. Perhaps we have already solved this problem. 0 to pi by 4 sine to the power 4 theta cos square theta d theta. This is equal to 1 by a cube integration 0 to pi by 4 sine square theta cos square theta whole square into sine square theta d theta. You may write like this. This is equal to 1 by a cube integration 0 to pi by it is not pi by 2, it is pi by 4. Pi by 4 1 by 4 sine square twice theta, it will be 1 by 4 2 sine theta. No. Sine square theta cos square theta into this. 1 by 4 into 2 sine theta cos theta whole square means sine twice theta whole square. For sine square twice theta, you may write 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. This is equal to 1 by 8a cube integration 0 to pi by 4 sine square 2 theta into 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now put twice theta equal to t. This means d theta equal to half of dt. Theta is equal to 0 means t equal to 0. Theta is equal to pi by 4 means t equal to pi by 2. Therefore, the integration will be equal to 1 by 8a cube integration t equal to 0 to pi by 2. It will be equal to 0 to pi by 2. T equal to sine square t into 1 minus cos t half of dt. This is equal to 1 by 16 a cube 0 to pi by 2 sine square t dt minus 0 to pi by 2 sine square t into cos t dt into cos t dt. This is equal to 1 by 16 a cube. It will be half into pi by 2 minus sine cube t by 3 0 to pi by 2. When you put t is equal to pi by 2, the value will be equal to 1. When you put t equal to 0, then sine cube t will be equal to 0. Sine cube 0 equal to 0. This is equal to 1 by 16 a cube. Pi by 4 minus 1 by 3. This is the answer. 1 by 16 a cube. This is the answer. Now, today I shall take solve another problem. Suppose take another example. Evaluate. 0 to a square root over a minus x suppose this is a minus x divided by a plus x root over dx. We have to evaluate this. 0 to a. This is 0 to a. Now, see this integration x square root over a minus x divided by a plus x. What should we do? we may put x is equal to a cos 2 theta or x is equal to a cos theta, so that the term within the radical sign will be a perfect square, because it will be, if you put x is equal to a cos theta, 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. For 1 minus cos theta, you may write sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta, you may write twice cos square theta by 2. Sin square theta by 2 by cos square theta by 2, tan theta by 2, the radical sign will be cancelled. Or we may write here like this: 0 to a, x square, a minus x divided by root over a square minus x square. Can I write like this? Can I write like this? Multiply numerator and denominator by root over a minus x. It will be a minus x. Root over a minus x whole square means a minus x. And it will be a plus x into a minus x. It will be this. Now it will be very simple. Now see. I equal to, I am writing here, this is equal to I. Put x equal to a sin theta. Very simple. Put x is equal to a sin theta. A sin theta. This means dx equal to a cos theta d theta. X equal to 0 implies theta equal to 0. X is equal to a implies theta is equal to pi by 2. If you put x is equal to 0, then it will be equal to 0, x is equal to mx, theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, the integral will become integration theta equal to 0 to pi by 2. X square sin square theta, x square sin square theta. It will be equal to a minus a sin theta root over a square minus a square sin square theta, a cos theta d theta. This is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2, a square sin square theta. It will be a into 1 minus sin theta. It will be a cos theta d theta. A cos theta will be cancelled. A cos theta will be cancelled. This is equal to a cube, a square into a cube. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Sin square theta into 1, sin square theta d theta, minus integration 0 to pi by 2, sin cube theta. Now you may apply Wallis theorem. 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus, it is nothing but 2 by 3. It will be 1 by 2 pi by 2. It is 2 by 3. Simple. This is equal to a cube. Pi by 4 minus 2 by 3. This is the answer. This is the answer. Dear students, in the next class, we shall find formula for sin to the power mx, cos to the power mx, dx. We shall find formula this. Now, in one problem, we solve a problem. Integration 0 to pi by 2, sin to the power 4x, cos square x, dx. Integration 0 to pi by 2, sin to the power 4x, cos square dx. For cos square x, we put 1 minus sin square x. But using this formula, integration 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power mx, cos to the power nx dx, we can find the integration in this method also. In the next class, we shall discuss about this method. Dear students, thanks for attending the class. Thank you very much. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.